welcome to the channel. Today we are going to look at how to deal with a Whitelabel error page for a Spring Boot application. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to reproduce a Whitelabel error page, assuming that we have a simple Spring Boot application open in IntelliJ. Go ahead and run the application. So starting the server will take a few seconds. And here we can see that our server is on the port 8080 on localhost. Go ahead and open your favorite browser, then go to the search bar and type localhost colon 8080 slash. So this page we get is the Whitelabel error page, is a generic Spring Boot error page that is displayed when no custom error page is present. First, let's see how we can disable the Whitelabel error page entirely. Go to the properties file and set the server.error.whitelabel.enable to false. Or we can achieve the same result by excluding the error MVC auto configuration bean by adding the annotation exclude error MVC auto configuration class to the main class. In my case, I prefer use properties than annotation, so I will remove the annotation and use the properties. Let's restart our server just like this. Restarting the server will take a few seconds. And here we can see that our server is up on the port 8080 on localhost. Go back to your browser, then go to the search bar and type localhost colon 8080 slash and enter. When the Whitelabel error page is disabled and no custom error page is provided, the web server's error page is shown. So here we can see that we have disabled the Whitelabel error page with success, and the shown page is the 404 Tomcat not found page. We first need to create a custom HTML error page using TimeLeaf template engine. First of all, go to the pom.xml and import TimeLeaf dependencies to our Maven. So here, just like this, we import the TimeLeaf dependency and we refresh the pom.xml. Then go to the resources templates folder and create an HTML file called error.html, for example. The title of this HTML page will be just error, and in the body I will just display a header where something wrong happened will be displayed. So if we save this file in resource/templates directory, it will automatically be picked up by the default Spring Boot's basics error control. So let's restart our server. The restarting of server will take a few seconds. So here you can see that our server is up on the port 8080 on localhost. So go back to your browser and go to the search bar and type localhost colon 8080 slash enter. And here we can see the custom error page that we have just created. In this tutorial, we have covered the Whitelabel error page and we show how to create our custom error page. So thank you for watching until here, and please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave me a comment if you have any question. So thank you, goodbye, see you soon.